वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आई एम मानसी महती एंड आज हम जाएंगे मेरी जर्नी पे अबाउट कंटेंट क्रिएशन। बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप। हाउ डिड आई बिकम अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर? आई एक्चुअली वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस वीडियो बिकॉज मैंने 20 व्लॉग्स डाले हैं अभी तक एंड देन आई थॉट पीपल डोंट नो दैट मच अबाउट मी, सो मे बी आई शुड मेक एन इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो ताकि आप समझ सको हु एम आई एंड what am I doing in my life right now. So earlier I was a professional tarot card reader. Let's start from that area of my life. Probably in 2013 my mother insisted me that you have intuitive powers and you should get into tarot card reading or maybe any kind of how can we say astrological thing. So because my father is an astrologer, his father was an astrologer, so it's like a 5 generations into astrology and then I'm like the sixth generation into it. So she was like, you already have that in you and maybe you should do something about it. थोड़ा सा कुछ सीख लो उसके बारे में. तो मैंने प्रोफेशनली टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग सीखा वो टाइम पे एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग रीडिंग्स फॉर एवरीवन अराउंड मी एंड देन वो बहुत अच्छा पिकअप हो गया एंड देन पीपल एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड कमिंग टू मी विद द रिजल्ट्स जो मैंने उनको बोला है, जो प्रिडिक्ट किया है, जो उनको गाइड किया है, उस चीज़ों के बारे में उनको रिजल्ट्स मिलने लगा. सो पीपल स्टार्टेड कमिंग बैक टू मी एंड दैट्स हाउ आई अंडरस्टूड दैट मे बी टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग इज़ माई प्रोफेशन एंड माई करियर एंड मुझे वही परस्यू करना चाहिए. तो प्रोबेबली फ्रॉम 2013 till 2023 I was strictly doing tarot card reading professionally. Then during lockdown I was actually creating content as well, not as much but I was creating content in like tarot area. Okay, सो टैरो में ऐसा होता था कि आई यूज़ टू गो लाइव एंड देन डू सेशंस फॉर पीपल ऐसे पब्लिकली एंड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड एट अ पॉइंट आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट हमेशा मैं क्या करती थी जब मैं टैरो सेशंस लाइव जाती थी तब मैं फ़िल्टर डालती थी अपने फेस पे बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट एट ऑल कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट माई स्किन, नॉट एट ऑल. सो मैंने ये सोचा कि मे बी आई शुड डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. मतलब वो एकदम छोटा सा आइडिया था कि मैं टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग कर रही हूँ एंड देन मैंने सोचा कि मैं इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ स्क्रीन पे, मेरी स्किन अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, मेरे को यहाँ पे पिंपल्स है, एक्नेज है, मार्क्स है एंड आई एम नॉट एट ऑल कॉन्फिडेंट. मैं कभी भी एक पिक्चर नहीं डालती थी विदाउट फिल्टर, कभी नहीं. So then I thought कि maybe we should do something about it. And then I started changing my diet, I started working out, I started going to doctor, dermat. And then probably I started doing some Ayurvedic cleansing, body cleansing. सो वैसे करते 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 जब मैंने सब होलिस्टिकली मेरा पूरा रूटीन चेंज किया, मेरे लाइफ का रूटीन चेंज किया, मेरा स्लीपिंग पैटर्न चेंज किया, मेरे फूड हैबिट्स चेंज किए, सब कुछ चेंज करने के बाद आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग चेंजेस इन माई स्किन एंड प्रोबेबली आई डोंट इवन थिंक 6 महीने लगे मेरी स्किन पूरी क्लियर होने के लिए और पूरी अच्छी, टचवुड, पूरी स्किन एकदम ही द वे यू कैन सी नाउ हाउ माई स्किन लुक्स, राइट? इट वॉज नॉट लाइक दिस एट ऑल. सो देन मुझे लोग मैसेज करने लगे कि व्हाट्स द सीक्रेट अबाउट योर स्किन, आपका स्किन केयर रूटीन क्या है, आप क्या खाते हो, आप क्या करते हो, हाउ इज़ योर स्किन ग्लोइंग सो मच. So I started actually recommending people about what I do. My friends, they started telling me that maybe you should start creating skincare content. तभी तो मैं सिर्फ ऐसे ही लोगों को सजेस्ट कर रही थी, एडवाइस कर रही थी, बट मैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्किन केयर में नहीं कर रही थी. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट लाइक कभी वर्कआउट वीडियोस डाल दिए, कभी कुछ खाने का वीडियो डाल दिया, जस्ट हियर एंड देयर. बट देन ग्रेजुअली मुझे समझ में आने लगा कि ओके मे बी स्किन केयर के रिलेटेड कुछ बनाना चालू करती हूँ एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड ईमेलिंग टू ब्रांड्स. इन 2023 आई स्टार्टेड ईमेलिंग टू ब्रांड्स. I was emailing 100 mails every single day to brands, approaching them. I want to create content for you guys and I want to try your products and see if it works for me and maybe suggest my audience. But no one replied. For straight 5 to 6 days I was emailing 100 brands every single day, but maybe I was approaching like wrong brands at that time. I should have started very small. Somehow Ras Luxury found my page and they sent me a message that they want to send me products and they want me to try it on my face and maybe give a review about it. So that was my first brand deal. I didn't knew how content creation works, so I did not take any money from them. I just tried the product and give a review about it. Once I made like Ras Luxury video and more brands started approaching me and then I thought this is going somewhere, so maybe I should think more in a professional way how to take this content creation journey ahead. And then I started doing brand deals on brand deals and then I started creating content professionally and then I started investing in like equipments. For example, this particular mic, let's make another video about it. Yeah, so I started investing in like mic, tripod, and then I think I've invested in just 2 things right now at the moment. But yeah, so that's how I started my content creation journey, and touchwood, I'm doing really good in it right now. And probably I'm going to focus more on fashion content and lifestyle content, because my skin actually is based on my lifestyle and not just skincare. So guys, if you think that it's just skincare magic and stuff like that, it is not. It is not. I have changed my lifestyle so much in order to achieve a skin like this. I was so underconfident before this, you have no idea. And I will actually put up pictures over here somewhere where I will show you. I have never posted a picture without filter. How insecure was I at that time in my life? But gradually, once you start, thinking about it in a holistic way, not in like one particular direction, but a holistic way, you will actually change anything in your life. It can be your hair, it can be your skin, it can be your body. Because I was so skinny, I was so insecure, and I was, always commented, ragged, and bullied, saying that, I, because I was, 35 kgs, even when I got married. So you can understand, like, people bullying me constantly about this particular thing, and I never actually cared to actually focus on my body and improve it. I used to not care about my body at all and not feed nutritious food to my body. Once I got married, my husband started pushing me, you should improve your diet, you should start focusing on exercising. And then I started gymming, I started doing yoga, I started doing multiple things, and luckily I found the right doctor for my skin. Luckily I found the right Ayurvedic practitioner for my skin. And then it all started happening, and it's all started aligning for me. So my point is that if you are insecure about anything in your life, trust me, I was 29 when my life changed. I was 29 when I started actually making good money out of content creation because of my skin that I was insecure my whole life. Imagine that. So you have no idea how much your life can change if you start taking yourself seriously first. Money will flow, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, बट आपको सबसे पहले खुद का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, आपकी खुद की बॉडी का, आपके खुद के हेल्थ का, और उसके बाद आपको क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ फ्लो होते जाएंगे, आपके लोग आपकी हेल्प करते जाएंगे, यूनिवर्स कैसे काम करता है, यू हैव नो आइडिया. सो एवरीथिंग स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग इन प्लेस. अगर मैं अब देखूँ, जब मैं पीछे मेरी जर्नी को देखूँ, तो मुझे समझ में आता है कि इट वाज नॉट जस्ट वन थिंग दैट हेल्प मी, इट वाज मल्टीपल थिंग्स एट अ टाइम. इट वाज लाइक माय फ्रेंड्स पुशिंग मी कि कंटेंट क्रिएशन कर या स्किन केयर में जा, बिकॉज योर स्किन इज़ सो गुड राइट नाउ एंड यू हैव टू शेयर योर जर्नी. क्या किया है तूने, कैसे किया है. सो इट ऑल एडेड अप in the end, and I'm so blessed to have this life right now. I'm 30 years old, I'm married, even though I'm staying in a long distance relationship, but I'm living in my own house, and because of this content creation thing, and it had never been this way अब तक. मतलब 29 years के पहले अब तक ऐसा नहीं था. I was so underconfident. ये तो मैंने बहुत बार अब बोल चुका है, so let's skip that part, okay? But you get my point, right? So मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, if you are someone who's watching this video and you are insecure about anything in your life, maybe your looks, maybe the way the place you stay in, or anything actually for that matter, trust me, everything can change if you put effort into it, if you put that hard work into it. Trust me, it has changed for me, and I believe that it can change for anyone if they really, really focus and want to change their life. That's how my journey started as a tarot card reader, and now transitioned into content creation. Tarot card reading, I'm still doing it because that's like my God gift. I believe that it's like a generational thing that has come to me, and I'm still doing it. But along with that, I'm doing like focusing more of my energy into content creation, and I'm so blessed right now. Thank you, God. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the audience that is watching this right now. If you have any questions, if you want any guidance, please let me know. Drop down a comment. We will connect. See you in the next video.